My name's Gareth, and as you can tell, I work for Adaptavist. Adaptavist are Atlassian experts. They provide consultancy, support, hosting and training services for the whole kind of Atlassian range of products, not just Confluence, but Jira and all the rest. We also make plugins as well. So I'm going to go through not one but three plugins in about 3 minutes. So I'm going to go really quickly. So if you have any questions, then you'll see me wandering the halls afterwards. So the three plugins I want to talk to you about comprise our Wiki-plus pack. So they are the content voting plugin, the survey plugin, and the Confluence dashboards plugin. And I'll go through each of them now. Okay, so the content voting plugin allows you to vote on the content in your wiki. So pages, blog posts, and comments can all be kind of voted on, and you can then display a aggregated voting score for that content. We set it up in a really flexible way, so you can do lots of useful things with it. So here you can see we have a forum made with our Bubbles plugin, and you can see that you can change the comment threshold. So this is based on the points, and it hides all of the ones with a particularly low score. And it means you can just save yourself time and just focus on the kind of the good content in a hierarchy. And as you see there, there's individuals aggregate a score too, so you can see what score an individual's contribution has been towards your wiki. And it's really flexible in its setup, and it integrates with our advanced search plugin, so you can produce lists like top 5 contributors or top 10 items in a particular space and things like that. So moving on to the survey plugin. The survey plugin allows you to create and manage surveys within Confluence. So it works behind the firewall, on air-gapped systems, and it means that all the survey data is saved within your Confluence instance. So any sensitive or kind of response data isn't stored in some third-party servers. And you can create the surveys with drag and drop. There's lots of different kind of response types. You can set conditional questions, as you can see here. Restrictions on answers, maximum minimum lengths, and things like that. You can embed them in kind of themed instances of Confluence, and usefully for kind of long surveys, you can save and resume them. Once you've completed the survey, there's automatic generation of charts, as you can see here, and you can of course export it to a CSV file for more in-depth analysis in Excel and whatever you want. So the final plugin I want to talk to about is the Confluence dashboards plugin. For me, this creates kind of the perfect kind of landing page for kind of an intranet or knowledge base. Basically, as you be aware, kind of lots of people use Confluence in a different way, and so having a single page with kind of fixed content means that that content can't really be relevant to everyone. And so this allows you a way of creating a page which is useful for everyone, because you can define a kind of a table of contents, and then the end users on an individual personalized basis can choose the content and layout of their page. So you can rearrange it with drag and drop, close and minimize all the boxes, and put all the content like RSS feeds, wiki pages, open social gadgets, and all that kind of stuff all there. And as you see here, it loads really quickly, which is the most important thing. So they're the three plugins. I said I was going to go through really quickly, so as I say, any questions, see me in the break. If you've taken a look at them before, we've recently launched with kind of new pricing and things like that. So there's more options for kind of smaller Confluence instances, so you might want to kind of take another look again. More information is at plugins.adaptavist.com. Thanks very much.